Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. So today we decided to get this amazing experience of walking on the sea. What you might be thinking, how we can walk on the sea? But as you can see everywhere, like there is snow, and in Finland the temperature mostly drops below 0 degree, so the sea and the lakes get freeze and people enjoy different activities here like ice skating, skiing on the sea and the lakes. So today we decided to get this experience and walk on the sea. If you have watched our previous videos, you might be knowing that we visited Hitantra beach during autumn. So we started walking from there and now we have almost reached to the Hitantra beach. Now you can imagine how it is possible we are walking in the middle of the sea and reaching from one end to the other end. So come with us, we will show you this experience. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please like, share and subscribe to all the videos, and please suggest us if you want any new videos and you want to see any new content. Wow, this is an amazing experience, and I would surely recommend everyone who is living in Finland, especially in Helsinki if you are living, please come and do this experience. It's wonderful. And if you want to know the location of this lake or this Hitantra beach, I'll mention in the description box. You can go there and please do visit here. It's amazing. You will love this place. Now you can see we have started from that far point and we have reached there. This is around 2 kilometers of distance and we are standing in the middle of the sea. You might be thinking how this is possible, but really it was very amazing. It was a good experience for us walking in the middle of the sea. Now let me show you something very interesting. As it was continuously snowing, we removed the upper layer of the snow from the ground and you can see how the water of the sea got frozen, on which we are walking right now. Before coming to end, we decided, after walking for almost 3 kilometers on the frozen sea, we decided to have some coffee and snacks. And see, we found a cute cafe. We'll take a tour of this cafe quickly and show you around. There's a bonfire, people are enjoying here, there are a lot of snacks. So let's sit here for some time and enjoy the coffee and tea in the chilling cold.
Tässä on tiivistä. Tässä on tiivistä ja sitten me ei ole niin obvious. Vaikka syökää.
So here comes the end of our video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment on the videos. Thank you.